This video focuses on how to do a good physical exam. Generally, you start at the patient's head and go to their feet. Then you can come back from their arms. The reason for this is that in the trunk of the body is where all the major organs are, the critical systems, and you want to check those first. So you start at the head, move down through the trunk, keep on going down to the feet, and then come back and pick up the arms. That's the general process that you want to follow. So as you're going down, you feel for tenderness, you feel for crepitus or any crunching, and you feel for instability. So you're essentially following the skeleton and tracing the skeleton as you move down, following each one of the bones. If you find some tenderness, take a look. And you're looking for discoloration like bruising, swelling, bleeding, leaking cerebral spinal fluid, perhaps out of the nose or the ears, and physical deformity. You want to be able to use skeletal landmarks to orient yourself as you examine the chest and the abdomen and the pelvis. There's an awful lot of organs underneath there, and you need to know where they are. You need to know, is this the liver? Is the liver on this side? Is the spleen on that side? Where are the kidneys? Where are the organs that could cause bleeding? Where is this pain coming from? Why is it what's underneath there? When you actually look at a person, you can't tell. The only way that you know where you are, the only thing that gives you a sense of orientation is the bones. So the clavicles, you can feel those, trace them out, and they'll tell you anything. If you were to actually break a clavicle in the first rib, you would be doing damage to the upper lobes of either the right or the left lung. You want to know where the sternum is. And then the xiphoid process, the point at the bottom, because the liver is underneath those. Then you look on either side and you follow that arch of cartilage called the costal arch, and you trace it down. And on the right side, it'll tell you that the liver's there, and the left side, that's where the spleen is. The iliac crests orient you to everything that is in the lower abdominal cavity. And then the pubic bone, the pubic symphysis, allows you to know where the bladder is. If you have a stethoscope, go ahead and listen for lung and bowel sounds. If you don't, and most of us don't in a field situation, don't worry about it. You do want to check joint range of motion and distal circulation and CSM. And then stop, use your soap note, write down problems as you find them to make sure you catch everything.
Heard it all? Long pushing? How about a long pin? No. And down in here? And this one here? A lot, not too bad. Alright, can you look at me? Okay, follow my fingers sideways, both eyes. Okay, hand up and down now. Okay, that's good. Can you hear that? And over here? Hearing seems normal? Can you open your mouth for me? Move your jaw around? That feels alright? Did you hit there at all? Okay. How about down here in the back of your neck? No? How long are your clavicles here? No? Can you take a deep breath for me? Hold it and out. One more time. In and out. Did that hurt at all? Can you lift your arms up here for a second? I'm just going to squeeze. Does that hurt? No. Okay. Think you can lay back for a minute? Just want to check your belly out. Careful. It's a rock. Pivot yourself this way. See where you're at. Okay, here's your ribs. That's good. Your hips. Okay, I'm going to push on your belly. Does that hurt at all? No. How about here? No. Down in here? No. about here?
No.
Down here?
No.
And one more time.
No.
You're just going to squeeze your hips together? Does that hurt at all?
No.
No? I'm going to squeeze down your legs. Now, this is the one at the ankle hurts. Does this hurt at all? Down in here?
Oh, it hurts here.
Right there on
Yeah.
this side or the other side?
The other side? In the ankle?
This side right here?
Yes.
It doesn't hurt so much over here?
It hurts less.
It hurts a little less there? Okay. Do you want to lift your leg up here? Bend it all the way up, all the way up. Let it fall off to the outside. Okay. Is that hurting your hip at all?
No.
Is it hurting your knee when you're doing that?
No.
Okay. You want to move your ankle around for me? Does that hurt on your
Yes,
ankle?
it hurts.
Does? But you can move it.
I can move it, but it hurts.
Okay. Can you feel your toes down here?
Yes.
Can you wiggle them around for me? Do they feel hot or cold or just normal?
Just normal.
Okay. Okay, let's do the same thing over here. Any of that hurt?
No.
Down in through here? No? This ankle's good?
That's good.
You pick up this leg for me? All the way up? All the way up. Let it go out to the outside. Okay, is that okay on your hip?
That's okay.
And your knee?
That's okay.
Okay, straighten it out. Go ahead and move your ankle around for me. Wiggle your toes in there for me. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let me check this arm out. How about the shoulder here? Is that alright?
It's good.
Nothing hurts there?
Nothing.
Did you hit it at all?
No.
It doesn't look like you hit your head that hard, no?
No, nothing.
Can you squeeze my finger really, really hard as you can? Is that hurting your arm at all?
No.
Over here. Fold it around a little bit. Wrist, fingers. Just do the same thing for the other one. Shoulder.
No, it's okay.
Arm at all?
No.
Okay. Anything here?
No.
No. Squeeze my finger really hard. Does that hurt your arm at all?
No.
Go ahead. Bend it up. Move your shoulder around. Wrist, move it around. Move the fingers. Hands feel cold at all? A little chilly? Is that normal?
It's normal.
You want to go ahead and sit up again? More comfortable sitting up? It's like pretty easy to do. Let me see if anything hurts in your back. Okay? I'm just going to push in. I'm just going to hold you right here for a second. Does anything hurt down your back?
No.
How about this side over here?
No.
All the way down?
No.
No? Nothing hurts there.
Nothing.
Okay, so the only thing that hurts was on your cheek